Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Attention business owners and digital marketers. Are you struggling to find a way to generate online income that does not take up all of your time? We know how it feels. Making money online is a challenging task. There's a lot to do, a lot to keep in mind, and everything that you thought you knew tends to change. Hiring experts to create comprehensive content could cost you a fortune. But there's no need to worry about it. We have made something that will help you make a lot of money, and as more people get interested, your profits will shoot up for sure. You absolutely need no skill, no experience, no update, no extra investment. It's completely newbie friendly. Let's examine how we have earned troves of banknotes online by selling highly converting PLR products. Come along on this journey just like us and start earning substantial income with this profitable product. Also, you can sell it under your name and keep 100% of the profits. So, make more money than you ever dreamed possible with this incredible product. Introducing the single most powerful solution to your money-making problems. Healthy Supplements Secrets with PLR. It is a professionally well-researched guide that will provide comprehensive information on healthy supplements to help you reach your nutrition goals and enhance your body's function. Healthy Supplements Secrets with PLR is a product that teaches you and guides you to learn. What are health supplements? The role of essential nutrients in health supplements. How do you read labels and decode supplement information? The timing and frequency of supplement intake. About the long-term benefits and risks of continuous supplement use. This is the only ultimate solution to your money-making woes. So, stop struggling and start earning with this powerful money-making product. The best thing about this product is that it comes from a health niche that is high in demand and evergreen. So, you'll never run out of making money with this amazing product. To help you get started, you can check out our comprehensive, high-in-demand, professionally researched product, Healthy Supplements Secrets with PLR. So, here is precisely what you are going to get in this startling product. Module number 1, Professionally Written Training Guide. Module number 2, Professional Graphics. Module number 3, Animated Banners. Module number 4, High Converting Sales Copy. Module number 5, Mini Sites. Module number 6, Customer Sales Video. Module number 7, Legal Pages. Module number 8, Social Media Graphics. Module number 9, PDF Graphics. Module number 10, Swipe Emails and Module number 11, Other Selling Materials like a mind map, cheat sheet, and top resource report. We are also providing you with awesome and full-fledged exclusive bonuses. Instant Profit from PLR. Set up PLR product step-by-step tutorial. PLR product rebranding. You can use these bonuses in various ways to boost your sales. So, get started today and buy this product. Put your name on it. Sell and keep 100% of the profit. So, don't wait, grab your copy fast, as the prices will increase soon. Act now.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.